Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hi friends, once again welcome back to Electropixels. Today in this video we are going to repair this 40-inch LED TV that comes to repair. Here the complaint is this thick vertical bars and color shade in the half portion of the display. See, now we already opened the TV back cover. This TV comes with full HD Panda panel. Here you can notice that the right side panel source COF is burned, so this is the problem, which is causing this issue on TV. Here their two solutions are used, mostly the one is panel replacement with new one alternative solution is panel bonding. Using a panel bonding machine we can replace the damaged COF and repair this TV. So that's it, hope you like this video. See you in another video with another interesting topic. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Thank you for watching.